Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we share all the latest and greatest in travel-friendly essentials, beauty products, and more. Today, we'll be reviewing the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag for women, a compact, portable hanging organizer designed to store your travel-size shampoo, conditioner, skincare products, makeup accessories, and more. It promises to be the solution for all your packing woes, but does it live up to its claims? Let's dive in. This toiletry bag measures 10.4 by 4.5 by 8 inches, offering a compact 6.1 L capacity. Designed with travel in mind, it provides a space-efficient solution to keep all your essentials neatly organized. It features 4 separate compartments, including elasticated pockets for your toiletries and a zippered section for additional items. Plus, it folds down to a small size when not in use, making it easy to fit into your luggage. One feature that stands out is the transparent window that's supposed to make security checks at the airport a breeze. And with its handy hook, you can hang the bag anywhere for quick access to your items. Sounds practical, right? Let's take a closer look at how it performed during real-world testing. In my experience using the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag, I found it incredibly easy to pack. The compartments allow you to separate different items like skincare, hair care, and makeup, which helps with organization. The transparent window works just as described. It's super convenient for getting through security without digging around for your toiletries. The hook feature is also very practical, especially in hotel bathrooms or small spaces where you might not have a counter. I hung it up in a few different settings, and it held up well. However, while the bag is very practical, there are a few downsides to consider. The material, while durable, doesn't feel as premium as some other toiletry bags I've used. The zipper can sometimes be a little stiff, which may cause minor frustration during use. Additionally, the medium size might not be large enough for those who like to travel with a ton of products or need more space. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is definitely well organized, offering various compartments and pockets to keep your items secure and accessible. The transparent window for security screening is a major plus for frequent travelers, and the hook for hanging the bag is a real game changer. The size is perfect for short trips, and its compactness makes it easy to store when not in use. On the downside, the zipper can be a little challenging to maneuver, and the material, while functional, could feel sturdier. Also, if you're someone who likes to pack a lot of different toiletries or larger-sized items, this bag might feel a little restrictive. When it comes to value for money, I think this toiletry bag holds up pretty well, especially for its price range. It provides a solid amount of organization and convenience without breaking the bank. It's not the most luxurious option on the market, but it does what it's supposed to do for an affordable price. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other toiletry bags that might offer a bit more space or a higher-end feel. However, for a compact, travel-ready organizer that covers all the essentials, the NISHEL bag does the job. Now, as for the build quality, it's definitely not a luxury item, but for a budget-friendly travel bag, the materials are sturdy enough to last through several trips. I wouldn't expect it to hold up for years of heavy use, but it should be fine for regular travel. I didn't have any issues with customer support during my testing, but NISHEL is known for providing decent customer service should you need it. The brand has a reputation for creating practical and reliable travel products. So what's the final verdict? The NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is a solid option for those looking to organize their travel-sized products without taking up too much space in their luggage. It's compact, functional, and ideal for short trips. However, if you need more space or prefer a more luxurious feel, there are other bags to consider. If you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more travel tips and product reviews. I'd love to hear what you think, so drop any questions or thoughts about the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're packing light or heavy, we've got all the tips you need to stay organized. Until next time, keep your travels as beautiful as they are practical.